Who am I? Why many human beings know me through what? When I talked about my arrival news, many attention came over me. When I talked about originality of my purpose, many came to know about me. Who am I? Who is me? So then there is meaning for introspecting about the past experiences eked out to me because I have declared about my arrival news. Nobody loved it. Nobody cared it. But many knew about the power of Nija Yogic life, purity, divinity, dignity, and the words that reverberated everywhere through my philosophical key to open the hearts towards ME. That's where Global Menon's Association, highest 3 syllabus, kingly nature allows only that type of royal culture to feel my presence rather than almost all human beings thinking about me. Royal, luxurious, and highest 3 syllabus, 2 in it. Why should many bother about my spiritual work if they never wanted me in the past several years, decades? Why should they require now? So it is a private entrepreneurial ways of disseminating knowledge of Nija Raj Yoga, Nija Raj Yogic life. Then I ask, who am I? Who is ME? So it's only for those who are really loving to hear me, listen to my words, then there is more meaning for my arrival news, for my big business to save human species from all types of complicated living styles without much spirituality. If spirituality is not wanted, why should one look at me? Common sense, divine sense, spiritual sense. I cannot impart the knowledge of the highest syllabus to the lower levels, they cannot digest it. So it is not a nursery syllabus. The syllabus of evolution, highest education, then the purpose of life has to be properly made digested to empty spirituality. God consciousness, creativity is life with love, truth, values of divinity. So I don't address my acquaintances as people or human beings, but souls gathering. Those who love to hear my words, they will gather in and around me with good intention to get uplifted towards the cosmic realities. Me space for MESSOULS. Me yogic space. All those who couldn't accept me in the past, how can they accept now? So it is only for those strangers who really love me, to hear me, to work with me, to live with me, to lead with me, and that is the new ways of organizing me unit space for the wonder mind to be in the process of evolution and bringing Nija Yoga system of evolution expands the awareness of spiritual yoga. Nija Yoga meditations, various power pranayama, breathing techniques, power mudras. Then there is more vibrancy in creating that type of atmosphere to feel one's own divinity, radiating love, peace, tranquility beyond all religions. I don't follow any religions. They negated me several years. Why should I accept them as it is? So my religion is religion of yogic love. Royal. Sole source economy. Not just begging bowl systems. No one can renounce even mobile phone. Then what is the use of talking about the past life? Then I am bringing a new millennium, Satyuga, with highest clarity of a visionary path. Then messengers of love and religion of love is my ways of talking about it. That's the banner. In good behavioral patterns of psychology, spirituality, and various wonderful things to feel one's own divinity. And straightforwardness, non-betrayal, honesty and sincerity. All these three things are essential to become MESSOULS. It's leaders domain. Vastness of the space, me-space, and rejuvenated Nija Sagar and the flyer version in it, so that many can levitate comfortably without hate, malice or jealousy. Almost all those who are infested by dark energies or various wrong energy fields, they have their hate, malice, jealousy. But me souls do not have anything of that type. If devotees have got that type of negative trends, how can they call themselves as devotees? They are devotees from spirituality. That's why atheism is not my subject. I am talking truth to my heart to hearts. NIJESS Path. If that is understandable, then there is meaning for my intervention along with yogic spirituality to make evolution a systematic process with the fastest evolution in the history of humankind. NIJESS Path. Second coming. Who is afraid of second coming? Every subsequent birth is called second coming. And those who deny anybody's second coming arrival news, that means they are afraid of their own ignorance and illiteracy. They don't want anybody's appearance. That's why religions are outdated as far as I am concerned. My religion is connected with the second coming of various wonderful things for the purpose in which establishment of divine laws are seen through love and truth and philosophy and yogic ways of living and leading styles for a wonderful, beautiful life with luxurious and royal and business and huge wealth is essential for me brand souls at least to live and lead a beautiful life. That's why it's king souls, queen souls, prince or princess or any Raja cult that will facilitate growth stories under Nija Raj Yogic Tree. Vellayil Zais Parivar souls also in it because I am the son of Vellayil Narayana Menon. I don't have any shame to talk about my father or mother, Kamalakshi Amma, or any of my brothers or sisters who have got the same connection with the cosmic consciousness, because I am talking about spirituality. M is spirituality. M is stands for Millennium Evolution, Manifestation Energy, and various wonderful things to uplift human beings to feel their own divinity. That means leaders create destiny for others, and those who have got that quality, they will make others also qualitatively rich, not quantitatively wrong, but qualitatively rich to feel their own spirituality. Then transformation is my subject, rather than any information. I am not in any type of informing communities. Transformation. I am not undergoing in a transformation, but I am there in the cosmic reality. That's a arrival news. I don't have any karma or karma bhala. I am allowing myself to be among me brand souls so that they will get uplifted naturally with my knowledge, my cosmic cult and spirituality. So it is only for MESSOULS. That's why these few words, particular day, giving for me brand soul, especially Global Menon Association, to do big business. Don't live miserably. Don't become slaves of others. Be creative in nature and be totally free to design how one is going to be. That's why Nija Yoga system of evolution, scientific methodologies, meditation, everything is essential for me brand souls. Be powerful and take decision to one's own heart and brain to feel that type of awareness of creating destiny with my intervention. I am fully divine and cosmically, spiritually aware about my arrival news. That's why I talk about my truth, my purpose of life. If anybody is interested, they are only allowed in me unit space as MESSOULS. Then we are going to be together, collectively engaging in tune with ME programs. 2025 begin ups. It's only for MESSOULS, me space for MESSOULS. There are no eyes from all those who are in the negative trend and trying to give all lots of troubles or any type that is not suitable for any growth stories. No locking or blocking stuff in and around me. They have to be kept out as far as possible by the cosmic souls. Then it is the willing culture of the royals. They will create destiny, but only for me and for me brand souls. 22/79. Soul's power. Power manifestation soul, power manifestation categories, power manifestation groups. Nobody can control me or nobody has the eyes on me except I select. It's my life, it's my business, it's my way of doing things, and it's my time to feel my own ways of disseminating knowledge through heart to hearts. Straight? Love to you all. I'm here in this planet and I do my spiritual work along with the real souls, the gems and jewels who are going to be a part of my vision and mission. Messengers of love and religion of love concept in it. Straight? Love to you all. Nija Raj Yogic, NIJESS